KG-600 Gas Analyzer. Applied a clear graphic LCD display. Gives the high precision and long life by adopting NDIR gas sensor technology. Offers a free PD program which can be utilized in monitoring and operation. Outputs real-time measurement data, has CO correction functions, and displays temperatures of RPM oil. The built-in printer to be able to output results immediately. Insert the probe hose into the measurement probe and the other side into the back of the analyzer. Turn on the switch and warm up. At this moment, put the end of the probe in the clean atmosphere. When warming up ends, it automatically adjusts 0. Put the probe deep in the exhaust pipe and measure exhaust gas. Print the measurements by the print button.